Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
Today's press meet is called specially with a purpose where the artists have, after a long waging battle, उन्हें एक बहुत ही अच्छा खासा एक जजमेंट कलकत्ता हाई कोर्ट की ओर से आया है। उस पे जाने से पहले मैं चाहूँगा कि मैं आपको एक थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ दे दूँ ताकि हम सब एक ही प्लेटफॉर्म पर हों। Now, this is with respect to the IPRS, the Indian Performing Rights Society, which was formed in 1969 to look after the interest of authors and composers, to collect their royalties and distribute it to them.
See, this is the interim period where ये जो law आने के बाद implement होने में जो interim period है, उसमें बहुत सारे ऐसे offers, we would not like to mention names, we would not like to take names specifically, बहुत सारे ऐसे offers आ रहे हैं जहाँ पर as जावेद साहब पहले भी कह चुके हैं कि इस law को evade करके क्या-क्या किया जा सकता है ताकि हम लोग किसी पेपर पे साइन करें तो वो लॉ उसमें लागू ना हो। इसके बहुत तरीके सोच के वो करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। एक्चुअली स्पीकिंग नन ऑफ इट इज वैलिड बिकॉज अगर हम ऐसे कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट साइन करते हैं तो इट इज द एग्रीमेंट बिकम्स नल एंड वॉइड। एक्चुअली वो हमको भी पता नहीं है। ऑफर्स बहुत आ रहे हैं जिसको हम लोग रिफ्यूज कर रहे हैं, लेकिन क्या है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हमारी भी नौकरी है, वी हैव टू कीप ऑन गोइंग। सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट अ वे इन व्हिच how this law can come into practice and it becomes a clean functioning platform so that all of us हम लोगों को अपना काम करना है और peacefully काम करना है, that's all.
That it is very surprising that IPRS is agreeable to any orders that may be passed by this court. It is also agreeable to a restraint order being passed against it in respect of disbursement of royalties.
First of all, any company collecting royalty on its own is not legal anymore. You know, the company as a publisher can collect their own royalty, but no company has the right to collect the royalty of a music director or a lyricist. According to the amendments 2012,
June 2012.
the royalty of a composer can only be collected by the composer or his or her legal heir or a government recognized royalty collecting society on behalf of the composer. No other collection is legal. So as a matter of fact, if at all any company, any music company or production company is collecting royalties on behalf of the composers and the writers, is indulging an illegal act. And as a matter of fact, it is and it was the responsibility of IPRS to challenge those people who are doing it, but IPRS is not bothered about it.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.